by Dinah Anastasio. Christmas around the world. Somewhere in France, a girl is holding a small figurine that she's made out of clay. Softly she places it inside a manger, for Jesus, the baby, was born on this day. Far away in America, a boy gently places a bright silver angel on a branch near the sky. Church bells are ringing, carolers singing. Someone is baking a sweet pumpkin pie. Father Christmas brings presents to children in England. Santa arrives in Chicago and Maine. Papai Noel brings the gifts down in Rio. The three wise men come to the children in Spain. Freshly baked cakes and pies come from kitchens all over the world, from Toronto to Greece. Christmas cake in Japan, plum pudding in London, a rolled Christmas log cake in Paris and Nice. Traditions may differ in faraway places, carols and puddings, figurines made of clay, but behind all these customs are the very best wishes, as family and friends join together today. Kwanzaa. The colors of Kwanzaa are black, red, and green. The black one's the strong one that stands in between. On one side stands red, to remember the plight of the African culture, shining steadfast and bright. On the other stands green, for the future ahead, filled with hope for the struggle represented by red. But light the black first, it's for women and men, and children who struggled again and again. Celebrate children, give them books they can read. Learning and working are the way they'll succeed. Celebrate family and nation and race. Celebrate people and culture and place. The colors of Kwanzaa are black, red, and green. The black one's the strong one that stands in between. Hanukkah. I'll light the first candle in the menorah tonight. Tomorrow it's your turn. You can light the next light. I'll help fry the food. We'll make latkes and oil, fried donuts and chocolate coins wrapped up in foil. We'll both spin the dreidel, but where will it stop? Will my favorite letter be on the bottom or top? We'll gather together 8 flickering nights, retelling the miracle of this festival of lights. Happy New Year! Blow up the balloons, raise your arms, swirl and spin. Say goodbye to the old, let the dancing begin. Last year is gone, a new one is here. Hold hands with your friends and shout, Happy New Year! Outside the window, the bells keep on ringing. The clock has struck 12, and everyone's singing. Old Lang Syne in the town and the mountains and city. The echoes and laughter make the whole world feel pretty. My grandmother smiles, hesitates, rearranges her hair in the mirror while speaking of changes. This year I'll dance more, I'll fly to the moon. Cartwheels in August, tumbling in June. Should I make some changes? Are there new things to do? Should I smile so politely, or wear only blue? Should I sleep in the bathtub, or stop sucking my thumb? Should I stick out my tongue when I'm chewing my gum? But I'm suddenly tired, so I'll say this instead. Happy New Year to you. Then I'll go off to bed. Outside the window, the bells keep on ringing. The clock has struck 12, and everyone's singing. Chinese New Year. Sweep away the bad luck. The past year's almost through. Paint the front door happy. Wish misery adieu. Use red. It's bright and sunny. Red paint, red dress, red blooms. Write poems on small red papers and hang them round the rooms. Tomorrow is the first day. I hope I hear a swallow, for if I hear a songbird, I know luck is sure to follow. Lay blossoms on the tables, place oranges on a plate. Spread around the candy, I can hardly wait. 15 days of happiness, 15 days to share the rich and joyful wishes with my family everywhere. On the last night, all the lanterns that friends and family bring will sparkle as we celebrate the good, the fresh, the spring. Groundhog Day. There's a groundhog in a hole with a mighty vital goal. He's a rodent with a reason to come out this chilly season and take a look around. There's a groundhog we call Phil on a snowy icy hill, who needs a bright and shining sun to show us whether winter's done when he takes a look around. Look, he's seen his shadow there. Unpack your skis, chop wood, prepare. 40 days more of winter cold, or that's the story I am told as he takes a look around. But should we believe it? Should we take it or leave it? Is this groundhog prediction based on truth or just fiction? Valentine's Day. Some people give roses. Some people send cards. Some don't sign their names, just hello, best regards. Can you guess who it's from? Is it family or friend? And how many Valentines did you color and send? Some people write names on balls made of clay and drop them in water. Let's get married one day. One ball rises first. Take a look at the name. It's the person you'll marry if you believe in this game. Some men give out chocolates. Some women do too. Some write silly jokes with mysterious clues. The sender signs dots instead of his name. The number of letters and dots are the same. Can you guess who it's from? Is it family or friend? And how many Valentines did you color and send? Leap Day. February 29th is the day I was born. So now I'm confused, conflicted, and torn because of my birthday. It only appears, very rarely you see, just every 4 years. Some say I was lucky to be born on that day, but I wish I'd been born on a bright day in May, or a wet day in March, or a warm day in June, because then I could say, my birthday is soon. I'm never quite sure if I'm 8 or I'm 2. How many candles when I turn 32? Will I really be 8? Should I work? Should I play? It's extremely confusing to be born on Leap Day. I do have a party. I do celebrate. Once I had it in March, but that was too late. So the next year my party was one day before. This year I think I'll have 2, 3, or 4.